Snowplowing Performance Auto and Darren and Lisa Coles. And gentlemen, you're ready for the countdown. Everybody, help out here, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rev it up! That's Rexel! First couple of minutes, just a little feeling out period here. Nobody can hang up on any one person the way it looks so far. There's some speed. There we go. Now we've got things moving. Oh, there's some strategy going on out there. It's moving around. Oh, sometimes strategy doesn't work so well. I'd say that 119 John Wacknell needs a body straightener after that. Yes. Oh, John Wacknell makes that one on number 70. Mike Driver still going after everybody. Still alive. Fireman getting sprayed with a little concrete down there. They step back a little bit. And Driver putting a little bit of a hit on Lucas Hayes. Well, Lucas is done. He broke his. Something happened to his truck. He is done. Lucas Hayes is out of it. 3 left. 2 of them will be going on to the feature. Driver gets hit from the rear by Aaron Kalinsky of Whitby. Driver still alive, backing up. Of course, Lucas Hayes, he is not supposed to be hit. So in case of an accident, he is out of the race. So they have to work around him. And we also have John Wacknell. He seems to be stuck, not moving at all. And John looks like he's stuck on the wall. John has, okay, that's it.